Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And you might remember this video because today we're going to talk about a restoration. So we started out with the video when cylinder replacement goes bad. And this was at a GPA wrench bending back when Ken was still alive. And Jimmy and I were just going to change out a cylinder on Dave Domagala's airplane. But as you know from the video, it didn't work out real well. And people kept saying like, well, you always show an airplane in bad shape and you always talk about restorations, but you never show us the final product. So this video is going to show the airplane in the rough state here with the engine, and we're going to show the airframe and the rest of it, and finally the finished product. So stand by for a little bit more fun. And before we get into the transformation of this airplane into a thing of beauty, please hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. This helps in our ratings with the videos, and we appreciate it. And so here we are, letting the owner of the airplane at this point look inside the engine and see all the bad stuff that we found. And at this point he decides this wasn't the Tiger he really should have bought. He's going to go ahead and sell it and find another Tiger and move on. So once he decided to sell the airplane, we loaded it on a trailer and secured it all down for a trip, and the deal fell through with the buyer. And so the airplane got traveled back to New Jersey on the new cradles that Jimmy has made, and here it is all loaded up and ready for the trip. And then eventually it worked out that the airplane would come back to Ohio and go to Steve Boyer, who would be in the process of a full restoration, stripping everything down, taking everything out, and just about replacing everything on the airplane, including an all-new Lycon port and polished engine. So stand by when we get this transport done, and you'll see the results of the new airplane as it goes through restoration. And so when Steve got the airplane, and here it was getting ready to be dropped in front of his hangar, and he began the process of the entire restoration of the airplane. Replace all the glass, get all the paint ready, redo the interior, redo all the avionics. So y'all stand by and watch this little montage of a lot of money being spent on an airplane to make it better than new. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, Grumman Pilots Association, and we really are taking off. And here's the final result of all that hard work and money. A gorgeous airplane. It's now in Steve's hangar, just been pushed back in today, but we thought you would find this total transformation from really a flying wreck into this gorgeous airplane that he's going to enjoy flying for the rest of his life is really wonderful. So we hope you found all of this interesting and useful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and notify, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, as a little treat, about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff, here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.
Who knows what would be left after all the shit